War, what is it good for? I'm Stephanie here with my partner Louie and Brooks, who you will see later in the video, and we're here to tell you what war is all about.
We took on the task of developing your favorite classic card game.
Anyone can play anywhere, and all you need is a computer.
Are you a bored college student that wants to waste time? Or maybe you and a friend really need to make a bet? Well, there's a really easy game that you can do this with.
And that would be the game of war. Let us show you how it works.
Man, Brooks, this TV show is so boring.
Hey, I have an idea. There's a game on my computer. I just downloaded it. It's #1 on the iTunes store right now. Super fun. It's called War. Let's go play.
All right, let's go do it.
All right, let me just pull my computer right here. And this is the game of War.
Oh, like the card game.
Yeah, but it's gone digital. All right, let's run it. So type in yes if you want to play, and I'll type my name in first. I'll let you type yours in. And the game should start.
Well, that's pretty convenient.
I know, I'm pulling away. Early lead.
Oh, no, I'm coming back.
Tie game right now.
Oh, yeah. Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. So how do you win this game?
So there's 26 rounds as mentioned earlier, and whoever has the highest card each round will get a point. Now there is the game of war, so if you have the same value of card, whatever the value of the next card in the deck is, if it's higher, that person will get the point.
All right.
So much for being humble.
Yeah. So what kind of software does this run on?
It runs off of MATLAB, and you can use it on the MacBook or the Windows computer, anything that runs MATLAB, and it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is click run, and the code runs. So round 12, we go to 26 rounds.
So one round and that's it? Or 26 rounds of one game?
Yeah, that's right. 26 rounds, one game.
All right. Sounds pretty simple. Oh, yes, I got this in the bag.
I know. Shoot.
And that's game. I win.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so do you want to play again? I think we'll quit for right now. How about that?
All right.
And we're back with Louie. You just got done finished playing the game of war. What are your thoughts?
I mean, it was really fun and competitive. I had an amazing time.
Wonderful. Would you recommend it to a friend?
Oh, definitely. I would.
Glad to hear it. Who do you think this game's intended audience is?
Really for anyone that has a computer. Middle schoolers, if you have a computer, high schoolers, college students, especially adults, really anyone.
Oh, very versatile. That's what we like to hear. Do you have to know how to code to play the game?
No, you do not know how. You do not need to know how to code. All you have to do is click run, read the directions, and play. That's all there is to it.
Very cool. And coming up next, we're going to talk about the actual details of the code with Brooks. So, Brooks, how was the game? I heard that you got defeated. How do you feel?
I'm a little hurt, but since I made the game, I know everybody has an equal chance of playing, so it was just a draw, I guess.
Well, please explain to me how this code works. I'd love to.
So first off, we have the CLC to clear the command window and clear it. First, my ad, this is for people that know how to code. They might have a better understanding of how everything works. And so we load card deck, which has all the card faces and the visuals. And we declare the deck to be 52 cards. And we set the deck values right here. And we welcome everybody to the game and ask if you're ready to play the war. And if the players answer yes, then it will enter this while loop. And as long as the while loop says yes, then it will run. So the instructions, then we ask for each player's name. We set the score of both players to 0. And then we shuffle the deck using this right here, and then we split the deck into hand 1, hand 2 for both players 1 and 2. And now we enter a for loop, and we set both figures. Each figure is going to be one card deck for the player 1, other card deck for player 2, and one card for each player will show it at the same time. And then we set up 3 conditions in the game. So if one of the player's cards is greater than the other, then that person will get a score. If not, the other is true, then the other person will get a point. Now, if there's a war, if 2 players have the same value card, it will look to the next card of the deck to compare those two values, and whichever one has the highest value will win. However, there's a chance that there will be a second war, and we solve this right here by looking towards the next card in the deck after that. What if it's the last card? If it's around 26 and there's no more cards in the deck, then it will just set each score to what it was. It won't say anybody won. And then after that, we just print out each score for each round, and continue to do the same for the other wars. And then at the end, we close all the figures and then ask if you want to play again. If you don't, then we'll exit the while loop and say thanks for playing.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video and learn about the game of War.
And for those viewers out there, we have a special code. You use the code WAR3, you'll get half off the price of the game. That's just for you.
Remember, we are Combat Productions. See you on the battlefield.